Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unboxing this GoPro 3-way grip or tripod, you can say, and I'm going to use it with my GoPro Hero 12 Black. Okay, now let's see outside the box. Okay, and you can use it as the multiple function like this. Okay, and now we're going to see inside the box. Okay, so we need to cut it through this location. Then just take this one out. Okay. Okay, so you will see from this location. Okay, seeing why it's so difficult to take out. Okay. Okay, remove the sticker. Okay, 3-way and okay, this lock. You can just press it to change. Okay, so if you not press the lock, you cannot move this one to this one. Just press it and then clip. Okay, and we got this screw. Okay. Another thing here on the below one, you can just screw it out, take it out, screw it back. This one for the stand. Okay, you can use it as a stand like this. Okay, you will see. I think we can use as this one. Okay, so now I found it. Just you need to take it out hard. Whoa. Then you can put on your GoPro on here. Okay, so here's my GoPro. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the unboxing 3-way arm or tripod for my GoPro Hero 12 Black accessory. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.